Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lexyonce, the best of the best and the real out of the A couple of dancehall is back, yes.
And money, it's a work.
They recently had a breakup about a couple weeks ago, and there was a lot going on, but pictures confirmed that the two were together. It was speculated that they were just together because they had booked tour dates, but Nikki had confirmed that nope, they are together. She posted this on her Instagram. They might talk about her fake, but she's adding another job title to her name. Yanique the Curvy Diva is now gonna be a YouTube channel star, starting her own show called Beyond the Curve. All the questions that you had for her will now be answered by she, of course. Pretty World Boss is probably gonna get out sooner than we thought. His appeal was updated. In this video, it will explain more about his trial.
An unfair trial, misidentity by witness, lack of evidence, and miscarriage of justice. The integrity of the cell phone evidence is being questioned. That the trial judge erred in admitting cell phone evidence because it was contaminated. The document pointed to the fact that the cell phones were not held in secure locations. That, quote, the trial judge failed in his summation to adequately deal with the issue of cell phones being compromised and the related...
Tifa just came out with a brand new song called Dancehall Queen, giving homage to the many dancehall queens that we see every day. A couple days ago, Spice had posted this picture about being depressed and having a lot of issues with former friends. But of course, that non-stop Spice, she went to the studio and turned that pain into musical magic. And here's
live your life, everybody have to breathe. Watch your friends more than your enemy. It don't matter what they come and say. They don't wanna see you on your way. They criticize how they want you stay under the ground, but prior again. Mama used to tell me, friends not good for you, girl.
But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.